Hi, this is Rosani, and today I'd like to talk about the difference that the paper makes. If you use different types of paper, you'll find out that some are more absorbent than the others. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to test them out so you could see the difference. For instance, using newspaper strips versus copier paper, or using them together, as well as the papier-mâché pulp dough, which is paper pulp dough that I mix using liquid starch and compressed paper pulp. I find that when I add regular newspaper pieces, they don't stick as nicely. I have to work a little harder. But I'm going to add a few pieces on here just to show you. And that's because of the liquid starch. Once the liquid starch gets tackier, then it would more than likely stick a lot better, but not right now. It's too liquidy. But I know something that will stick, and that is the copier paper. It is amazing. But I have to work quickly with it. It will absorb liquid like crazy, so it is perfect to work with projects like these. So let's use some of that. I'll tear off a few pieces and see how it goes. These are going to be my little starter heads, and I just have them on skewers and on a chopstick. You could use a pencil if you like. It makes it easy to work with. When I'm through with them, I can turn them into figurines or just have fun with them. I always keep dabbing with liquid starch. Once I have this fairly smoothed out, I could add pulp on top of it and it'll stick very nicely. And I just happen to have some of that papier-mâché pulp dough. Let's see what I could do with that. There they are side by side. Ah, here we go. Let's see, maybe I can make a nose. So I'll do a little blob right over the paper strip and just stick it on there. There we go. What else could I do? I should press it down. But I think it's probably going to need something else. We'll set it aside for a while. Let's start on this one. Oh, this one's much easier. Seems to be that I can indent it just by pressing down gently. And it's already starting to take shape. And I have to keep moistening it. But as you can see, when I squeeze it, I can make the nose initially. I could start shaping a face just with what I have. Now on this piece, I also covered the stick with a paper ball and then put the pulp over it. So it is not pulp all the way through. It's just a layer on top. So I could easily add on, or I could leave it as it is. But you see, it's easy to work with. I could just squeeze it however I want. And it's fun. There you go. Please be on the lookout for part 2, and I hope to see you next time.